Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will be showing you the best driving test route at Terry Service NSW, and I am right now at Service NSW Center at Terry in New South Wales, and I will be showing you the best driving test route. If you watch this video 10 times and don't do any mistake, practice on this route, then you will be getting the license in one go. So let's go for the driving test now. So this is the parking space meant for the people who are coming for the driving test. So you can park here, and then from here you will start driving. So guys, we are starting from Service NSW Terry, and we are going on the Macquarie Street State. And from the roundabout we will go straight. This is a pedestrian crossing, so if there is any pedestrian you have to stop and give way to the pedestrian. So we will go straight. There is no need to give the indicator, so we will go straight. So this is a school zone area, so make sure if there is a school zone timing, your speed should be 40, and if it is over 40, you will straightway fail in the exam. And there is quite a large number of parking on both sides, so you have to be very careful, ready to stop anytime if there is anybody taking out the vehicle suddenly out of the car park. So go straight and wait for the traffic on the right, so you have to give a way to them. So go straight. So keep going straight, and there is a rail crossing. So now take left on High Street. So the speed limit is 50 here. Keep driving straight. There is a roundabout. The rule is you have to give the way to the traffic on the right, and any traffic coming on the front turning right. So keep going straight. Keep all the time watch on all the mirrors and plus your speedometer. Don't exceed the limit. Keep going straight. Follow this High Street, and again there is a roundabout coming. So keep going straight. Keep going straight. If the road is turning left or right, there is no need to give the indicator. Keep going straight. There is a pedestrian crossing, and if there is any pedestrian, just give way to the pedestrian. And see here, the vehicle is turning right. You have to give way to the any vehicle turning right. So go straight. Keep going straight. Keep going straight. The speed limit is 50 here. Keep following the High Street. Keep going straight. Again a roundabout. Give way to the traffic on your right. Keep going straight and park on the curbside behind this car. Give the left indicator. Check all the mirrors, especially the left mirror, and slowly take your vehicle to the left and don't hit the curb, and park the vehicle. Put the parking, and then pull out the handbrake and turn off the engine, and tell the instructor that you have parked. So very well, you have safely parked the vehicle on the curbside. So now you can start driving. Turn on the engine, put into the drive, and pull down the handbrake. Give the right indicator. Check all the mirror and over the shoulder on your right side, and slowly take out the vehicle if there is no vehicle coming from behind. Keep going straight. Keep going straight. Now turn right on the Wingham Street. Give way to the traffic coming from the front. So when it is safe to go right, then you can go right. So go straight. Don't drive on the left lane. This lane is for the parking only. And this is a unmarked road. There is no dividing line. So make sure that your vehicle is on the left side, not on the right side. Keep going straight. So school zone is approaching, and if there is a school timing between 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. and 2:30 p.m. to 4 p.m., then you have to observe the school zone limit, which is 40 kilometer limit. So take right on the Louis Street. So there is a pedestrian crossing. Give way to the pedestrian. Keep going straight. And now you may be asked to do the reverse parking. So behind this black car on the left side, so give the left indicator, park, stop in parallel to the car, and then put up the reverse brake. Check all the mirrors, and you can take your vehicle slowly back. Keep checking all the mirrors. Keep checking all the mirrors. And make all the tires straight. And you can stop. You should be able to see the front tires of the front car. And when you have parked, just pull out the handbrake, put up the parking, and turn off the engine, and tell the instructor that you have done the reverse parking. So reverse parking is always a difficult thing. You don't get nervous. Just make a practice and you will be all good. So once it is done, he will say, okay, fine, you can drive now. So turn down the handbrake, start your vehicle, and put it in the drive. Give the right indicator, check all the mirrors, and check over the shoulder on your right side, and you can start driving. So go straight. Go straight and take left on the Apollo Close. So it is a quiet street. You may be asked to do the 3-point turn here. Take your vehicle to the left and then give the right indicator. Check all the mirrors and then move to the right. Once you are close to the curb, stop. Give the left indicator, put the reverse and go back. Again check all the indicators, all the mirrors, and don't hit the curb. And again drive. Now put up the drive and then right indicator, and yes, you have done the 3-point turn. It is all good. Take right. Check all because this is the drive, there is a dividing line, so it means you have to give way to any traffic both sides. Again, it says school zone. You need to observe the school zone timing, which is a 40 limit. If you cross the 40 limit speed, you will immediately fail in the exam. So now you take left on Wingham Road, and there is a pedestrian crossing. So don't stop there. And if there is any pedestrian, give way to that, and then check the traffic on your right, and then you can turn left. Keep going straight. See, now there is a end school zone. Now you can drive at 50 limit. So keep driving straight. Keep going straight. Keep going straight, and you are now turning left on the high street. Give the left indicator. The traffic is coming on the both sides. You need to check the traffic on both the sides, and even if you have to wait, you have to be patient and check the traffic on both sides. So when it is safe, you can proceed ahead. Keep going straight. The speed limit is 50 here in this kind of unmarked road, so keep your vehicle on the left side. Don't drive in the middle or towards the right side. So go straight from the roundabout. Give way to the traffic on your right side. So when you are going straight, there is no need to give the indicators. So keep going straight. Keep going straight. Again, there is a roundabout. It is a busy roundabout. Give the way to the any traffic on the right side. So go straight. There is a pedestrian crossing. You have to give way to the pedestrian if there is any pedestrian. If there is no pedestrian, there is no need to stop. This is a painted island. Don't drive on that one. Keep going straight. Again, you have to give traffic give way to the traffic on your right side on the roundabout. Keep going straight. Keep going straight, and we will take right on the roundabout. So he may ask you to say take the third exit on the roundabout. So you have to understand what he is saying. So now take right on the roundabout. So now you have to take left again on the roundabout on Winter Street. Give way to the traffic on your right side. So it is a busy roundabout. You may have to wait at least 1 or 2 minutes sometime. So keep going straight. It is a busy area, so your speed should be 40, and be ready to stop at any time because any vehicle can come out from the parking. And keep going straight. Take right on the roundabout. Again, give way rule apply. So give way to any traffic on your right side. Go straight. And again, this is the school zone area. So if there is a school zone timing, the speed limit should be 40. Keep going straight. Take the second exit from this roundabout, which means you have to go straight. Keep going straight. There is pedestrian crossing. Again, give way if there is any pedestrian. So this is now the end of the school zone, and now give the left indicator, and very nice, you have completed the driving test. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.